In this video, we're gonna take a look at Quicken Classic Business and Personal for Mac. So as you can see here, if we scroll down, we can see that we have the classic version, which is available for Mac and Windows, and it starts at $6 per month. You can create multiple budgets, you can manage and reduce debt, simplify the tax time, and create a secure retirement. So all you have to do is simply go to their official website and click on get started. Now here we can see that how is Deluxe different from other classic products. Now as you can see, they have this Deluxe option, which basically can create fully customizable 12-month budgets and track spending. You can manage reduce debt with what if tools and calculators, and you can plan for retirement and secure your future with the lifetime planner. And basically here it says that the deluxe version is more superior than the other one, so I suggest you to go with this one here. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.